Hi guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your printer going offline repeatedly and don't know what's wrong? It's most likely because the printer is in offline mode, experiencing a print spooler issue, or encountering a technical glitch. Well, no matter the cause, I'm going to help you remove this issue quickly using 3 simple methods. Also, if you need expert assistance, just give us a call at the following number. Alright then, let's begin with the method now. Method 1. Deselect the Use Printer Offline option. On your computer, go to Search section in the taskbar and search for Control Panel and then open it. On the Open Control Panel page, you need to click on the Hardware and Sound option. Now, you need to click on the Devices and Printers option. Then, click on the Printers and Scanners option. From the list of printers, look for your Epson printer and click on it. On the next page, you need to scroll down a bit and click on More Devices and Printer Settings option. Next, you need to navigate to your printer's name and right-click on it. From the option box, you should click on the See What's Printing option. On the Open pop-up, you should go to the Printer tab. After that, ensure that there is no right tick mark in front of the Use Printer Offline option. If this method does not work in fixing the issue, then follow the next method. Also, tell us in the comments which Epson printer model you're using. Method 2. Restarting the print spooler. In the taskbar search field, type Services and open it. When the Services window opens, then scroll down until you see Print Spooler option. Now, what we do is right-click on it and choose the Restart option. After that, a pop-up will appear, so let it complete. If you're finding it difficult to fix the issue and need a quick help for your specific Epson printer, then feel to connect with our expert team now. Method 3. Remove the printer and reinstall it. Open the Control Panel window once again. Then, click on the Hardware and Sound option. Now, go ahead and click on the Devices and Printers option. On the pop-up window, you need to select the Printers and Scanner option. After that, look for your Epson printer and click on it. For the next step, we need to click on the Remove option to uninstall your printer. If you see a confirmation box pop up to remove your printer, then choose Yes to move forward. Now, we need to add the printer once again, so go ahead and click on Add Device option. When it shows your printer name once again, then click on Add Device option in front of it.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.